Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel UTech. This is a Rubik cube. Today I am going to explain whether this cube is perfect or not. That means is it a perfect cube or not. Now you know that a cube has 6 faces. I already mark it here. Face 1, face 2, face 3, face 4, face 5 and face 6. So I already measured the value and put it here. So the value of face 1 is 5.5 centimeter. It is the length, and its breadth is 5.5 centimeter also. You can see it is a 5.5 centimeter also value. Its diagonal is 7.5 centimeter. Face 2 has a diagonal. Face 2 has a length of 5.5 and the breadth is 5.5 also. Its diagonal is 7.5. Face 3 has a length of 5.5 and the breadth is also 5.5. You can see, and its diagonal is 7.6. So here this diagonal is 7.6. Face 4, so you can see face 1 the value, face 2 the value, face 3 5.5 length, breadth is 5.5, diagonal is 7.6. Face 4 so face 4 has a length of 5.5 centimeter. The breadth is also 5.5 centimeter. Its diagonal is 7.6. Similarly, face 5 has a length of 5.5 centimeter. Breadth is also 5.5 centimeter, but the diagonal is 7.6. Face 6 has a length of 5.5 centimeter. Breadth is also 5.5 centimeter, and the diagonal is 7.6. So from here I can conclude that face 1 and face 2 has a diagonal a little bit difference, that is 0.1 centimeter, and all face 3 to face 6 has equal values. So this cube is not like a perfect cube. Now I am going to show you the centroid of the cube. So here I already draw the figure of this cube. You can see that the diagonals, all diagonals, when I joined it, they are intersecting at a point. So the all diagonals are intersecting at a point. This point represents the centroid of this cube. So here these two diagonals, when these two diagonals are joined together, so these two diagonals, similarly this one also joined together, and the third one is also this. All these three diagonals will intersect at a point, and that point will be the centroid of this cube.